Did you know it's a good idea to bring a dark colored swimsuit to Santorini? What about water shoes? Do you know they will save your life here? Because if you don't, then this video is definitely made for you. Hey guys, welcome to Santorini Explained. My name is Sebastian, I'm a tour guide in Santorini, and today we're talking about those things that you probably don't know you should be packing. Alright, I'm sure you're curious about the whole dark colored swimsuit thing, so let me start with this one first. One of Santorini's main attractions are the hot springs around the volcano. And if you've already been to natural hot springs, you know what I'm about to tell you. The water is full of sulfur, and sulfur has this nasty orange rusty color. And do you know one thing that sulfur loves doing? Leaving nasty stains on bright colored fabric. And by the way, those stains are for life. So make sure to bring a dark swimsuit, or at least an old swimsuit that you don't mind turning orange. By the way, if you want to know more about the hot springs and whether or not it's worth paying the money for the excursion to go there, well, you can check out this video right here. Alright, what else should you pack? Good, comfortable walking shoes. Santorini is full of cobblestone alleys, never-ending stairs, and uneven walking trails. And I can't tell you how many times I've seen ladies struggling because they're walking all of this with high heels. And the same goes for men. Dress shoes won't take you very far when you have to walk endless stairs with very slippery cobblestones. So my advice for you is, if you're bringing elegant shoes, and by all means do it, make sure they're comfortable and grippy. Otherwise, they're worthless in Santorini. Alright, next item that should go in your luggage. Water shoes. Santorini beaches are not sandy, they're full of pebbles. And those black pebbles get really hot when the sun is shining. Plus, some beaches have big pebbles which are very uncomfortable to walk on. Now, of course, as long as you're just walking on the beach, you can keep your regular shoes on. But if you plan to go for a quick swim, the few steps you will do as you're entering the water won't be fun without water shoes. By the way, if you want a full guide about the beaches in Santorini, you can find everything right here. Also, if you want to join a kayak tour in Santorini, I highly advise bringing water shoes. Now, if you don't own any water shoes, I'm not saying it's worth buying them just for a trip to Santorini. But if you do have a pair in your closet, then it's definitely worth bringing them along. What else should you pack? A wind jacket, or at least some sort of sweater. Even if you're coming during the months of July or August, which are the hot months, you should know that in the evening, after the sun has set, it tends to be a bit chilly because of the wind blowing. So if you plan on going to some evening walks, highly advised by the way, make sure you pack an extra sweater or jacket of some sort. And one last item you should pack: sunscreen. This is if you have checked luggage, of course, as liquids are not allowed in carry-on luggage. It is possible to buy sunscreen here, but they're really overpriced because the local shops know you don't have any other option. So if you can, make sure to bring your own sunscreen. It'll make you save big bucks. If you want to know more about the tours I run here in Santorini, this is my Instagram page. If you enjoyed this video and you feel like you learned something valuable, please consider hitting the like button. And if you're wondering how to support this channel, you can follow the link down below to make your one-time donation. I'm going to leave you with those two videos. This one is about cash because I just told you everything you should bring, but I didn't mention cash because this is a whole other topic. So if you want to know how much cash to bring to Santorini, right here. And this one explains you how to travel Santorini on a budget. Very nice one. Alright, that's it for today. See you in the next one. Bye.